Hello and welcome to TW White & Son Suzuki. My name's Matthew, I am one of the salesmen here, and this is the Suzuki S-Cross Ultra in a lovely cosmic black pearl. So this is a full hybrid 1.5 AGS AllGrip. So Ultra does mean it is a top of the range. So some of the standard features you'll see on this car is going to be front and rear parking sensors with a 360 camera, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, as well as radar brake, running LED lights with automatic lighting and automatic window wipers. Comes with cross traffic alert as well as the obvious visual information on the mirror just there. So let's show you some of the inside of the car. So this car has just done under 12,500 miles. So I'll be, nice low mileage on the car, that's for sure, especially for its age. It's only 2 years old. So it comes with leather and a textured middle right there for you. So this being a full hybrid does mean that is the depth of the boot there. So unfortunately it gets taken over by the hybrid battery, but does come with over the top tether and ISOFIX. So if you have got children or grandchildren, then it is a good car to plug a car seat in, because you just have to plug them in there, which is on either side of the passenger side there. Does come with a pan sunroof as well. So this car has got no scratches or marks or any disagreeable odours, and she is in very, very good condition. So let's quickly take you round to the driver's side and I'll show you a few of its functions. So you've got front and rear electric windows, electric folding mirrors like so. Keyless entry start just on the inside of the door there. And as I said, you've got the automatic lighting with the automatic window wipers, buttons on the steering wheel for the infotainment screen, as well as the adaptive cruise control on there. Coming down to the centre here, so you've got your AllGrip button, as well as the heated front passenger and driver's seat. Dual climate control, so you can have two different temperatures on either side. 360 camera, as I said to you, which is alongside with the parking sensors. So good visibility all around the vehicle, especially when if you're a person that struggles to park between the white lines. Perfect car for that. Comes with inbuilt sat nav, but does have the smartphone link for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Look, I really hope you enjoyed this very short video on this S-Cross, and I think anyone that's going to take this home is going to absolutely adore it. Give us a call, 01372 414 414. Thank you.